Today we're going to learn about going forward. There's a few simple steps to take. First, get comfortable with standing up. It might sound silly, but I think we've all been a bit like Bambi and Ice when we got started. First of all, we're going to stand, make sure our backs are up straight. It's going to feel a bit silly, but it's going to look fine. Bending your legs will help as well. You feel really stable this way. It does look a bit silly though. Now for some actual going forwards. Bubbles. Just going to take both legs and move them left and right, in and out from each other. It's more of a steering action, so you feel that there's something in the ankles and pushing around your weight on your feet. If that's feeling totally impossible, then you may just need to loosen up your trucks. If you've got your skates new, then odds are they came pretty tight. Grab a skate tool, it's worth buying one, it'll come in useful. And I'd suggest do it half a turn at a time and feel the difference and make further adjustments from that point. Remember, it's anti-clockwise to loosen up your trucks and make them looser and easier to turn. Once again, it's in, out, using the angle of your ankles to sort of turn them into each other. Do it slow, do it fast, it'll start to feel really natural at a point. Once you got some speed, you can try out just rolling. To begin with, this will feel like a leap, but the next step for me was to start skating on one foot. You start off barely being able to stay up on one foot for more than a second and keep going with it. Eventually you'll be riding along, not needing to put the other foot down at all. Once you got one foot down, this next part should be easy. You probably heard before, put your 2 feet into a V shape against each other and push from one side to the other. You're just going to want to shift your body weight from left to right and over again. At this point, it's just putting the time in. Get used to it, start to feel more and more natural. You'll figure out how to make things more and more efficient as you go. Pay attention again to where your weight is on your feet, whether it's on the ball or the heel. Having some concept and idea of this should really help out with learning other things moving forward. Once you get comfortable with that, you can start doing some more advanced bits, and I think you just sort of naturally end up doing things like this anyway. My advice is to put some music on and some good headphones, and I think that rhythm just pushes you to do a bit of dancing and maybe pull some moves that you might have not have done before. And the next thing to learn has got to be how to stop. Thanks for watching, that's the end of the video. To recap then, start off by learning to stand up straight. Second, we got bubbles. Then we're going to learn to do 1 foot. And then we're going to learn to push 1 foot then the other. After that, good luck figuring out how to stop. Thanks for watching.